Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or if you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit the subscribe button. In today's video we've got the July Bellabox unboxing, so let's get into it. So it's kind of a light box this month, but I'm sure there's plenty of goodies inside. So the theme is Beauty Snap. I'm not sure what that means, but these are the products. The first one that caught my eye is this one. Okay, so it's a Seacret Spa product. It says Seacret's line of luxurious skincare and spa products are based on ancient minerals, salt, water, and mud unearthed from the Dead Sea. The unique combination of innovative technology, healing Dead Sea, and natural ingredients transforms Seacret, like the sea, into high quality brand. You will receive one of the following items. So I got the cuticle oil. I've never used a cuticle oil before, so that's definitely going to be really interesting. I have terrible nails, terrible cuticles, because of my job. Both of my jobs, it's just they trash your hands and they really do trash your nails, and I can't take care of them. So maybe this will be some sort of help to me. I don't know. It'll be fun to try. So this, it doesn't say if it's full size or a sample, but the regular retail price is $20 at the Seacret Spa website. Next, I got this Plunkett Vita E Natural Vitamin E Cream. Bit dry, damaged and irritated skin adieu with Plunkett's Vita E cream infused with rosehip oil. This non-greasy cream contains high potency natural vitamin E to provide hydration while improving skin elasticity. So it's a face cream, I assume. This is just the sample, but you can get the full size at pharmacies nationwide or plunkett.com.au for $15.45. So yeah, I'll definitely give this a go. Got no issues with it whatsoever. Just another moisturizer, I guess. At least it's a decent size sample as well. It's not like a small one or a sachet or anything. What looks to be the bonus sachet sample is also from that brand Plunkett's, and it is the Working Hands Intensive Repair Treatment for hands that work in harsh environments. Well, that is my hands, so I will definitely give this a go. My hands are like crying out. Ooh, something shiny. So this is the Subi Perfect Pimple Patch. Oh, okay. This is full size. It comes with 3 full-size 18 patch packs. So this is just one of the 18 patch packs. I don't know if we get more than that. I have no idea. But it's $39.95 at subibeauty.com. Pimple emergency, Subi has you covered. It's invisible hydrocolloid spot patches, flatten pimples, camouflage blemishes, and help your skin heal quicker. Cruelty-free and vegan, this pimple patch is suitable for everyone. Now that's really interesting. I hope it does work. I will stash it away, and next time I have a big bastard, I will try these out for sure. I've not got any major issues in my skin today, but yeah, I will definitely be trying these out eventually. Next is the product that we got to choose the shade of. So this is Luna by Luna eyeshadow. What shade did I get? It doesn't say. Oh, I got the shade Miracle. I hope I picked that. I can't remember what I picked. Luna's silky smooth, highly pigmented formula makes for wearable color that's easy to blend and build up, especially when there's minimal fallout. To top it off, it's cruelty-free and gluten-free. You will receive one of multiple shades. This is full size. It retails for $15 at lunabyluna.com. So let's see what the color looks like. I think this is the one I picked. I went for something that was not in my comfort zone, I guess you could say. So the packaging is actually really cute. It's in this like little navy blue little single, and that is the shade I got. I got a deeper color just because it's winter, and you know, it's fun to experiment with new shades because I've got a million like champagnes, you know what I mean? That's what it looks like. So yeah, I'm really excited to give this a go. I love that we're getting makeup in these boxes, and that is such a pretty autumnal sort of shade. So yeah, that's really fun. And I don't think I've tried anything from this brand before either, so yeah. Next we have a ModelCO product, 2 makeup products in a box, woo! So it is a ModelCO highlighting shimmer whip. Introducing your secret weapon for highlighting and adding luster to your skin. This liquid luminizer glides onto skin effortlessly, giving you that subtle strobing effect that leaves the skin looking radiant. This is just a sample size, but the full size is $12 at modelco.com. So the shade Champagne. See, that's like a decent amount of product. You probably wouldn't need, I mean, based on my sizable makeup collection, you wouldn't need like a massive one anyway. So I love that it's a decent size. And I love the little squeezy tube as well. That's what it looks like there. Super reflective, guys. I cannot wait to use that. It might be a little bit too like golden for me, but maybe if I just sheer it out with something else, or just use it quite lightly, or even as an eyeshadow, like as a liquid eyeshadow. Like these liquid highlighting products are just really, really versatile. So that is just gorgeous. And the last thing in the box, apart from the ingredients, is a HelloFresh voucher card again. I haven't never used any of the HelloFresh vouchers that they've given us, but at least it's not part of the box, it's like an additional. So 40% off your first box if you're actually interested in HelloFresh. I'm personally not. I'm the only person living here and I work 2 jobs. I don't have time to do this, and I know it's supposed to help you with time and stuff, but I'm not even home to have the stuff delivered. So yeah, it would be great for a lot of people who wanted to try it though. So yeah guys, that is absolutely everything in the box, and I have to say I absolutely loved this box. I like every single product in this box. I'm so keen. This definitely, I love when we get wacky products that you would never think to try or even knew existed for that matter. So I'm keen to see if that actually works. This one, I'm just gonna put it in line with the rest of my stuff, but you can never go wrong with a moisturizer. And this one, yes, my hands will definitely be grateful for it, and you know, it's for working hands. I'm a working girl. Yeah, I'm definitely not looking forward to pimples, but I'm looking forward to see if this works. And as for 2 makeup products, both of which I would definitely use, and I got to choose the shade of one, and the other one's like for pale people anyway, like hallelujah. I am so excited. This is probably one of my most favorite boxes, especially more recently. But yeah, I can't fault the box. This is a really good one. So yeah, if you have the box coming your way, get excited, and if you've already got it, please comment down below what you got in your box. Make sure you like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.